beautiful morning. Anyway, today is officially the last day of 2025, the 31st of December. I've been up all night, all morning till now. Met Alo. Alo did like his jogging to get rid of the spirit of 2025 or something. He said next year he'll start properly jogging every morning, so I met him. So anyway, it's morning. Wonderful day planned. I just don't want to go and sleep, so I'm gonna go to cell and sit for a while there. So anyway, team as planned for today. Well, I've said that on my other vlog, but team's planning New Year-ish barbecue starts around 11 a.m. So I'm just gonna be sitting around. It's only like 7:30 in the morning, so I'm just gonna hang out for a while, and then probably me and everything gonna go up to Tim's place, and then we'll try to organize everything and start doing barbecue. Daily dose of sting. Uploading my last vlog for this year. I'm gonna publish today, 31st of December, the final day of 2025. So last night, me and Timmy, we marinate the lamb. The main course of today's barbecue is a lamb leg. So last night we were just like carving out some extra fat, and also we did a dry rub on it with salt and pepper, and then we insert like garlic into the meat. So we did that all last night, so today is just about doing barbecue right now. So our lamb marinated, just dry marination. It's perfect and ready to go. Bye. Alright, so we are up and about. I swear to God, this is a different day. I didn't wear the hat this time. We are out here in Shopwise trying to do shopping for the barbecue. The main barbecue today. So we got some chicken. We bought like the lamb and beef already, so we just got chicken and some bread and bun. Yeah, so yeah, we're gonna do that right now. So Tim decided to come and pick up Dan. He's here at Tim's workplace, Enviro Cycle. So he's just here sleeping at the barracks alone. So Tim decided to call and tell him to get ready. So He's gonna be joining us for barbecue. Yeah, Fijian Dan from Fiji. Yes, Bula. Yeah, so yeah, Tim is just over there trying to pick up Dan, and then we'll go up. So now the number is up to 3 people now. So good stuff. Yeah, anyway. The grill service purpose really well. Last night was a blur. I don't remember anything after we start doing barbecue. After Evans came, Evans came and then left, and that's it. I can't remember anything after that. So, but actually it was a good New Year. Yeah. Happy New Year, 2026. See you in the next one.